Welcome back to English Anyway. This is Anyway Journal, the series where we turn your daily life into expressive English. We aren't here to fix your sentences, we're here to give you more colors and flavors to paint your day. Because it's your story, say it your way. Let's dive in.
Yes, let's do it. I'm really excited for today's theme.
Me too. So today we're talking about something I think everyone listening can relate to. The post-work burnout.
Oh, yeah, the absolute classic.
Right. Well, let's look at today's journal entry from one of our listeners. They wrote, today I worked a lot. I am very tired. I don't want to do anything.
I love this. Honestly, this is great entry. It's clear and honest.
It really is. It gets the point across perfectly.
Exactly. It's a completely valid way to capture the day.
But depending on your mood, you might want to add a bit more flavor or change the mood of the entry. Let's see how we can express the same feeling in different ways.
Yeah, because we have a lot of options here. So the first option we can look at, I like to call this one the smooth flow.
The smooth flow. I like the sound of that.
Right. So if we look at the original sentences, they're great, but they're very separate. I worked a lot. I am very tired.
Yeah, they're like little islands.
Exactly. So what if we tried connecting those ideas to make it feel like one smooth story? We can use words like so or because, or even just adding really to give it some extra color.
Okay, so how would that sound?
We could say, I worked all day, so I'm really tired.
Oh, wow. Yeah, I worked all day, so I'm really tired.
Right, do you hear how that so just glides everything together?
Yeah, it really does. To me, the original one feels a little bit like a robot reading data points.
Yeah, exactly, just raw facts.
But adding that word so, it's like turning a grocery list into an actual recipe.
Oh, that's a great way to put it.
Like, you have the ingredients, but the so mixes them together. It creates this really smooth cause and effect feeling.
It does, and it changes the vibe for the person listening, too. It brings them into your story instead of just, giving them a report.
Right, it feels much more conversational.
Exactly. But now, if you feel like the word tired just isn't strong enough for the kind of day you had.
Oh, yeah, we've all had those days.
Right. So that brings us to our second option, which is all about emotional depth.
Emotional depth. Okay, give me the flavor for this one.
So instead of just saying very tired, what if we tried stronger words like exhausted or drained? So you could say, I had a long day at work. I'm completely exhausted.
I'm completely exhausted. That has a very heavy mood to it.
It really does. It has a completely different color than just tired.
It does, but, I have a question about this.
Yeah, what is it?
Is there, I don't know, a danger in using a big dramatic word like exhausted? Like if I use it every single Tuesday just because I had a few meetings, does it kind of lose its magic?
That is such a good point, and yes, it can. That's why exhausted is such a special flavor. You really want to save it for when your internal battery is at exactly 0%.
0%. Not like low power mode.
No, not low power mode, 0. It's when you have absolutely nothing left to give.
Ah, okay, that makes sense. So it's almost like a boundary.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's a verbal boundary.
Yeah.
Because, if you tell a friend I'm tired, they might say, oh, grab a coffee, let's go out anyway.
Right, because tired means you can still be convinced.
Exactly. But if you say, I am completely exhausted, they instantly know the vibe. They know your battery's at 0, and they'll respect that boundary.
Wow, so the color of that word really protects your energy.
It really does. A powerful option to have in your vocabulary.
Okay, but what if my battery isn't at 0? Like, what if it's a Friday, I'm a little tired, but I'm talking to a friend and I don't want to sound, like, completely defeated. I just want a relaxed vibe.
Well, then we move to option 3, which is the casual vibe.
It's casual vibe. I'm ready.
So instead of focusing on the fatigue, the tired feeling, we focus on your evening plans using some phrasal verbs.
Right?
Like stay in and chill out.
Ah, okay. So how do we put that together?
You could say, I just want to stay in and chill out.
I just want to stay in and chill out. Oh, I love the mood of that.
Right. It's so friendly and relaxed.
It really is. And you know what's so interesting about that flavor?
Right.
If you look at the original journal entry, the person wrote, I don't want to do anything.
Right.
Which is, it's a negative statement. Like, it's about what you won't do.
Yeah, exactly.
But this new flavor, stay in and chill out, it's positive. It's about what you will do.
That is such a huge shift. You are actively choosing your evening. You're not just, a victim of your workday.
Right. You're the boss of your relaxation.
Exactly. You're choosing a casual vibe, and your friends instantly understand that you're just taking it easy.
Yeah, it completely changes the energy of the conversation.
It really does. And speaking of taking it easy, we actually have a few bonus phrases today.
Oh, I love a bonus.
Yeah, these are 3 extra gems that you can use when you're facing down tomorrow's challenges. Because sometimes you need to be really specific about what kind of rest you need.
Right, because not all tired is the same.
Exactly. So the first one is me time.
Me time.
Yeah, this is for when you just need time alone to recharge. No people, no talking, just you.
Oh, I know that feeling. It's like if you're a taxi driver, right?
Okay, yeah.
And you've had people in your car all day making noise, telling you where to go. Me time is when you finally pull over, kick everyone out of the car, and just sit in silence.
That is the perfect analogy.
Wow.
You might not even be physically tired, you just need a break from people.
Exactly. Okay, what's the next gem?
The next one is burned out.
Ah, burned out.
Yeah, this is a heavy one. This is when you feel deeply tired from working too much for a really long time.
Okay, so sticking with the car thing, this is not just pulling over. This is when your car engine is actually smoking on the side of the road.
Yes. You can't just put gas in it and keep driving. It needs serious repair.
Right, a quick nap isn't going to fix burnout.
Exactly. And that brings us to the last phrase, which is take a break.
Take a break.
Yeah. This is for when you just need a quick rest to breathe. It's temporary.
You pull over, you grab a coffee, you stretch your legs, and then you get right back on the road.
Exactly. And having these 3 options, me time, burned out, and take a break, it gives you the exact color you need to express what your mind and body are actually asking for.
That is so practical because, it makes me think about something really provocative.
Oh, what's that?
We spend so much time thinking about how our English sounds to other people, right?
Oh, definitely.
But I wonder if we change the words we use, like choosing to say, I'm chilling out instead of I'm doing nothing, could deliberately choosing our flavors actually change how we physically feel about our day?
Oh, wow.
Like, does the language we choose not just describe our reality, but actually help create it?
I mean, I absolutely think it does. The words you use are the story you tell yourself.
Exactly. And on that note, we want to hear from you. Which flavor would you pick for your journal today? Are you going for the smooth flow, the emotional depth, or the casual vibe?
We really want to know. Leave a comment using just one simple English sentence to tell us your vibe.
Yes, just one sentence. And who knows, your journal might just be featured next time.
Absolutely. We love reading them.
Well, don't worry about being perfect. Just express yourself. English anyway. I'll see you in the next one.